Good afternoon. My name is Corby, and I will be presenting our bi-weekly fire weather briefing prepared today, July 16th. The key story for today will be windy conditions associated with the passage of a cold front. This map shows the visible satellite imagery as of 1 p.m. today and the current position of the cold front. Winds will increase across much of the northern Rockies this afternoon as the front slides south and east. Sustained winds of 10 to 20 miles per hour with frequent gusts to around 30 miles per hour are expected, with a few locations perhaps seeing a few higher gusts. In addition, a few showers and isolated thunderstorms will also be possible along the Continental Divide and across southwest Montana late this afternoon into the evening hours, but this activity should significantly decrease after sunset. The main upper-level storm system will be over the region on Friday and take up residence through much of the weekend. The best chances for precipitation appear to be Friday night, with the area highlighted above by the green figure as standing the best chance to see at least a wetting rainfall and likely more. But chances for measurable precipitation do decrease rather quickly as you move west of the Continental Divide, and especially into central Idaho, where cloudy, cooler conditions will be present. But only minimal amounts of rainfall are expected at this time. As I said before, this weather system will remain over the area through much of the weekend, keeping temperatures well below normal Saturday and slightly below normal on Sunday. These next images show the chance of rain Saturday and Sunday afternoon. As you can see, there will be decent chances for afternoon showers and thunderstorms on Saturday, but significantly lesser chances on Sunday with the warmer temperatures. Next week will begin somewhat quiet, and temperatures back up near normal or perhaps just a touch above normal, which is largely in the 80s throughout most of the valleys and in the 70s throughout the mountains. But each day our forecast models indicate gradually increasing amounts of moisture and subsequently better chances for afternoon showers and thunderstorms. The focus will initially be on southwest Montana, which is somewhat normal for this time of year, and then slowly spread west each day as the upper-level storm track becomes more southwesterly. These charts from the Climate Prediction Center share a broad outlook for the rest of next week. The blue colors on this map indicate greater probabilities towards below normal temperatures during the time frame. Similarly, this chart shows where the Climate Prediction Center believes better chances for above normal precipitation during this period will exist. In general, long-range models indicate a slight signal towards above normal precipitation chances near the Continental Divide and Canadian border region. However, there is one X factor which may come into play late next week that could significantly increase our chances for precipitation. Hurricane Dolores is presently a Category 3 storm over the Pacific Ocean, located 240 miles south-southwest of Cabo San Lucas, Mexico. Although she's not forecast to make landfall over Mexico, Dolores is poised to eject significant moisture into Mexico and the desert southwestern states this weekend, quickly kicking the monsoon into high gear. Though this moisture will not make it up to the northern Rockies, we're actively watching to see where the eventual remnant moisture from Dolores tracks as she moves northwest into colder waters well off the coast of California. One long-range model shows a very favorable pattern to move this moisture into the northern Rockies late next week or weekend, while another model presents a much less favorable scenario. Either way, this is something that could help bring some additional wet weather to the northern Rockies, and we'll be keeping our eye on it. And this concludes our bi-weekly fire weather briefing. I would like to take a moment and thank you for taking time out of your busy day to watch this video, and would like to encourage you to share it with your friends and coworkers. The next briefing will be held on Sunday, July 19th. But in the meantime, feel free to call us if you have any pressing weather questions or issues you may wish to discuss with a fire weather forecaster. Thanks again. Have a great rest of your week and a wonderful weekend.